Hi, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Finally, we received and we have here the latest smartband in the market, the Techlife Smartband, model number TLSB01. On this video, we are going to have the unboxing review of this wearable. We'll check its design, the specs, and the UI. So if you are interested to know more about this fitness tracker, watch this video, and if you find it useful, like, share, and subscribe. Alright, so let's begin and explore the Techlife Smartband TLSB01. So before we remove the plastic here, let's check first the packaging. Simple. And we have here some specs, the back. We'll check on this later on. We do have some features on the side. Comfortable lightweight design, IP68 waterproof rated. We have a large display here and with 20 days of standby time. So let's remove the plastic cover here. Later on, we'll have, on our second video, we'll have the unboxing review of its menus and features. On this video, we are going to focus on the design, the specs, and its UI. So we have here the fitness tracker. So let's pull it out. Techlife. Then, okay, it looks elegant as you can see here. We do have a foam for protection, and we have the fitness tracker, and seems like we do have a wide body design. So we have the contents are, again, we have the fitness tracker, so we have here another packaging. We have the user manual, and we have the charging cable. Let's put this back first, and we'll explore the user manual. Again, we have the fitness tracker with the strap attached. We have the charging cable, pogo pin, magnetic. And of course, we have the user manual. So the user manual here, so it is available in English. And let's see. Okay, it is available on English only. We have the support app. It is using the DFit app, available on Android and iOS platform. Next, let's check out its dimension and weight. So for the thickness here, so it is around 10.0 for the thickness. For the width, we have 25.9, or shall we say it's around 26, I think. Okay, 26. And for the length, we have 46, 26, and 9.0. Again, for the thickness, 10.0. Okay. For the weight, let's check. Zero. Very lightweight, 27.66 with a strap attached. So I expect that this wearable is very comfortable to wear due to its light body frame. Next, let's have the design before we proceed to the specifications. Let's remove this first. And as you can see here, we do have a single physical button, similar to a somewhat like the same with a Huawei Band 10 with a physical button on the side. or the Galaxy Fit 3. At the back, we have the model number. We have a quick release pin for its strap. What is the size? Let's see. Maybe 14 something. So this is 15. Okay. 15.8 or maybe 16. If we're going to measure it here. Let's try to remove. Let's see if we can remove this. Okay. Let's make sure. So it is around 16. I think it is 16. Okay. Then for the specifications, we have here the back. So we have the model TLSB01. And what else do we have here? 1.47-inch TFT LCD, Bluetooth 5.3 BLE with 190 mAh battery, 5 to 7 days usage time, 15 to 20 days standby time, and 1.5 hours of charging time. So we have compatibility iOS 9.0 and Android 4.4. It is using the DFit application. Again, for the specs, I'm going to make it clear. I'm going to list it here. Specs, additional specifications here. Check it out. Next, let's check out the UI. So let's power it on. Hopefully we still have battery left for this wearable. Yes, we still have. We have the Techlife logo here. English. Skip for the pairing. So for the UI, on top we have the settings and options. On the bottom part, we have notifications. We have the widgets here on the left side. On the right side, the same layout. I guess it is just going to go back to the first image or first layout UI if you're going to swipe it. Okay. For the main menu, just press I think the power button. Okay. So that's it for the UI of our Techlife Smartband TLSB01 model. So what do you think of this fitness tracker? Okay, what do you think of the design? Okay, so that's it for our unboxing review of its design, the specs, dimension, and UI of the Techlife Smartband. So if you have any questions regarding the video review, drop a comment below and watch for our second video for the unboxing. We'll focus on the menus and features. Bye.